Little bird. In the wooden place, everybody plays. Here lives a horsey, Horsey Yee-Ho-Ho.
Yee-ho-ho!
Then there is a doggy, Doggy Woof-Woof.
Woof, woof. Woof.
Here lives a kitty, Kitty Meow.
Meow.
And a not-so-small elephant, Elephant Pawoo.
Pawoo.
And even a piggy,
Oink,
Piggy Oink.
oink, oink.
In the wooden place, everybody plays.
Yee-ho-ho!
Today, Horsey Yee-Ho-Ho decided to play at the meadow close to home. Who's that pounding her hooves? Yee-ho-ho! Who's that jumping nice and high? Yee-ho-ho! With the mane hung on the side, hopping, leaping left and right. Can you see the running horsey? She is such a pretty sight. Kitty Meow came to play with Horsey because playing together is much more fun. I'm a pretty little kitty, meow, meow, meow. I'm a pretty little kitty, meow, meow, meow. I'm basking in the sun, meow, 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 meow. Watching everyone meow, meow. I am looking down at you.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
Can you hear it? Who is singing so beautifully? Let's go and find out.
Looking at the sky, counting all the stars, and I sing a song as I go around, waving to my friends with my giant ears. Elephant named Pawoo.
The horsey and the kitty met Elephant Pawoo. He also heard that beautiful song. Elephant Pawoo explained to the horsey and the kitty that it's a little bird singing. But where is this little bird? Elephant Pawoo seems to know where the little bird is. All can hear a beautiful song. Where is she? Where is she? Tiny little bird. Where is she? Where is she? Tiny little bird. It looks like the little bird is hiding in the house of Horsey Yee-Ho-Ho. Here she is. Why was she hiding in the house of Horsey Yee-Ho-Ho? Yee-Ho-Ho, do you think the little bird doesn't have her own home and she has nowhere to live? That's right, Pawoo. We shall build a house for the little bird. A house as beautiful as yours. We will build a little birdhouse, such a comfy one, so that she'll visit for some summer fun. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Rat-tat-tat. Won't you come and help, friend? We will sure build a little house, small and cozy, for her to sleep and wake us up with her tweet, 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 tweet. Boom, boom, boom. Everybody has a home. Well done, wooden friend. You've built a very beautiful house for the little bird. Tiny pyramid. In the wooden place, everybody plays. Here lives the horsey, Horsey Yee-Ho-Ho.
Yee-ho-ho!
Then there is the doggy, Doggy Woof-Woof.
Woof, woof.
Here lives a kitty, Kitty Meow. And a not-so-small elephant, Elephant Pawoo. And even a piggy, Piggy Oink. In the wooden place, everybody plays. Good morning, Woof-Woof. What a kitchen garden you have.
Woof, woof! Woof, woof!
What is this? Let's ask our friends.
I'm a pretty little kitty, meow, meow, meow. I'm a pretty little kitty, meow, meow, meow. I'm basking in the sun, meow, 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 meow. Watching everyone meow, meow. I am looking down at you.
Good morning, Meow. What lovely flowers you have. Look, Meow. Doggy has found a ring in his garden. Do you know what it's for? What's wrong, Meow? You have a ring too? Small and yellow.
Oink, oink, oink. Hello, I'm Piggy. Songs and games are what I like. Also, I enjoy sunbathing and some puddle wallowing.
Hi, Oink. Playing in puddles as usual? Wow, what a huge puddle. Are you sure you can cross it? Looks like Piggy found a ring too. Perhaps Horsey can tell us what to do with them.
Who's that pounding her hooves? Yee-ho-ho! Who's that jumping nice and high? Yee-ho-ho! With the mane hung on the side, hopping, leaping left and right. Can you see the running horsey? She's such a pretty sight.
Hello, Yee-Ho-Ho. Your friends have found rings. What are they for, do you know? Oh, look who's here. It is Elephant Pawoo. Pawoo wanted to bring a pyramid stack for his friends, but lost the rings along the way. Let's help Pawoo build the pyramid.
Horsey is a little ring, it's a little red ring. It's the biggest of them all, and it suits us best of all. Doggy has a little ring, it's a little green ring. It is not that big at all, and it suits us best of all. Oink has found a little ring, it's a little blue ring. And although it looks so small, it will suit us best of all. Meow has found a little ring, it's a little yellow ring. It's the smallest of them all, and it suits us best of all. 1 ring, 2 rings, 3 rings, 4. 4 nice rings and yet one more. All this fun for you in store. Bigger, smaller, big and small. Go and try collect them all. And the smallest of the pack climbs on top of the stack. All day long we've had some fun, and now the pyramid is done. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. It is fun to be alive. We have gathered every ring at the pyramid. We sing, all the colors are together. It's so pretty, it's so clever, clever.
Starlit. In the wooden place, everybody plays. Here lives a horsey, Horsey Yee-Ho-Ho.
Yee-ho-ho!
Then there is a doggy, Doggy Woof-Woof.
Woof, woof! Woof!
Here lives a kitty, Kitty Meow.
Meow!
And a not-so-small elephant, Elephant Pawoo.
Pawoo! Oink!
And even a piggy, Piggy Oink.
Oink, oink!
In the wooden place, everybody plays. Elephant Pawoo loves to look into his telescope. Pawoo, will you show us what you see? Wow, how beautiful! Oh, what's that? What is that thing that fell from the sky?
Woof, woof!
Jumping, running, barking loud. Woof, woof, woof.
Woof, woof!
Friend in playing and in working. Woof, woof, woof.
Woof, woof!
Don't get scared of my barking. Don't get scared of my barking. This is just my singing. Woof.
What is it, Woof Woof? What do you think?
What is it? What might it be? Seems like a veggie of some sort to me. What is it? What might it be? I think it looks like a pumpkin, maybe.
But Woof Woof, vegetables grow in gardens.
Woof, woof!
Here comes Horsey.
Who's that pounding her hooves? Yee-ho-ho. Who's that jumping nice and high? Yee-ho-ho. With the mane hung on the side, hopping, leaping left and right. Can you see the running horsey? She's such a pretty sight.
What is it? What might it be? I think that it might. I think that it might. I think that it might. Might look like a ball. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo!
But Yee-Ho-Ho, balls are round.
Yoo-hoo!
So what could it be? Here comes Kitty.
I'm a pretty little kitty, meow, meow, meow. I'm a pretty little kitty, meow, meow, meow. I am basking in the sun, meow, 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 meow. Watching everyone meow, meow. I am looking down at you.
Meow, meow.
Meow, meow, what might it be? Meow, meow, a flower maybe.
Meow, meow, meow.
But meow,
Meow.
a flower has a stem.
What might it be? A firefly, maybe.
But oink, fireflies don't fall, they fly. Who will tell the wooden friends what fell on the clearing? Elephant Pawoo, of course.
A starlit, watch it glow, my friend. Shining, sparkling, twinkling, just a little star. A starlit, she leaves up so high. Together, the star we will bring.
Cold. In the wooden place, everybody plays. Here lives a horsey, Horsey Yee-Ho-Ho.
Yee-ho-ho!
Then there is a doggy, Doggy Woof-Woof.
Woof, woof! Woof!
Here lives a kitty, Kitty Meow.
Meow!
And a not-so-small elephant, Elephant Pawoo.
Pawoo! Oink!
And even a piggy, Piggy Oink.
Oink, oink!
In the wooden place, everybody plays. One cold day, the friends were having fun in the forest. wanting to go home. But someone doesn't want to go home yet.
Oink, oink, oink. Hello, I'm Piggy. Songs and games are what I like. Also, I enjoy sunbathing and some puddle wallowing.
It's so fun to jump and run. Yeah, 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 yeah. I am not afraid of cold. No, 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 no. It's so nice to spin around. Yes! And keep rolling on the ground. Yeah, 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 yeah. Woof-Woof wants to hurry Piggy up. Oink, my friend, you listen, buddy. Everybody loves these puddles. After walk, we'll rest a while. Then we'll walk another mile. Horsey likes to eat on time, but Piggy is late again.
Who's that pounding her hooves? Yee-ho-ho! Who's that jumping nice and high? Yee-ho-ho! With the mane hung on the side, hopping, leaping left and right. Can you see the running horsey? She's such a pretty sight.
Oink, my friend, you listen, dear. It is time to have our dinner. And your snout is angry red. To the skin you must be wet. Kitty's paws are freezing. Perhaps Oink will listen to her. Oink, my friend, you listen, buddy. You are splashing in the puddle. And tomorrow, as we told, you'll be lying with a cold. Here comes Elephant Pawoo.
Looking at the sky, counting all the stars, and I sing a song as I go around, waving to my friends with my giant ears. Elephant named Pawoo.
Oink, my friend, you listen, buddy. Get out of that dirty puddle. Though you think you are so bold, you will catch a nasty cold. Don't be sad, Oink. After lunch, everyone will go walking again. Hold on, friends. Where is Oink? It looks like Oink is sick. Let's cheer him up. Have some milk with honey. Oink, oink, oink. You'll get better soon. Oink, 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 oink. The next day, Oink was feeling much better. From now on, he always listened to his friends.
Honey, in the wooden place, everybody plays. Here lives a horsey, Horsey Yee-Ho-Ho.
Yee-ho-ho!
Then there is a doggy, Doggy Woof-Woof.
Woof, woof. Woof.
Here lives a kitty, Kitty Meow.
Meow.
And a not-so-small elephant, Elephant Pawoo.
Pawoo.
And even a piggy,
Oink.
Piggy Oink.
Oink, oink.
In the wooden place, everybody plays. Hello, Oink. Have you decided to run in the meadow today instead of through the puddles? Who is it? It's a little bee.
Oink. pretty little bee, friends with all the flowers, buzzing oh so quietly, collecting the nectar. Buzz, 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 buzz.
Do you want to play with her? It looks like the bee is busy, and she doesn't want to play now.
Meow, meow, kitty cat, coat is strewn with flowers. Meow, 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 little cat, she's a friend of ours. Meow!
The piggy wanted to play with the bee, but she flew away.
We are buzzing all day long, all day long. We are busy, busy bees all day long. We buzz around the flowers all day long. We buzz around a flower all day long. Busy, busy little bees all day long. We are buzzing here and there, here and there.
The kitty wants to say that the little bee collects sweet nectar from flowers. What do they do with the nectar that they collect?
Looking at the sky, counting all the stars, and I sing a song as I go around, waving to my friends with my giant ears. Elephant named Pawoo.
Hello, Pawoo. The kitty and Piggy would like to know, what do the bees do with the nectar they collect from the flowers? That's right, Pawoo. We shall ask the bees, and we will need the flowers to do so.
Buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Bees seem to like your treats.
Buzz, 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 buzz.
Tiny little bees flying flower to flower, collecting nectar. Here they are. Tiny little bees, they fly straight home, pour into the comb. Sweet honey, tasty sweet honey.
Buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz.
It turns out that the bees pour the nectar into the comb.